Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Enchiladas Rojas de Queso. First, let's prepare the delicious red sauce. Begin by lightly toasting about 8 to 10 dried guajillo chilies and a couple of arbol chilies in a dry pan for just 30 seconds. This enhances their flavor. Then, rehydrate them in hot water for 20 minutes until soft. Blend these chilies with 2 cloves of garlic, a quarter cup of onion, and 1 cup of chicken broth until smooth. Strain the sauce for a silky texture. Now, let's get the filling and tortillas ready. For the classic cheese filling, you'll need about 12 ounces of a good melting cheese like Monterey Jack or Oaxaca, shredded. Next, gently warm 12 corn tortillas in a little oil for about 15 to 20 seconds per side. This makes them soft and pliable, preventing them from breaking when rolled. Immediately after warming, dip each tortilla into your rich red enchilada sauce, ensuring it's fully coated. With your tortillas sauced, it's time to assemble. Place a generous 2 tablespoons of your shredded cheese filling onto each sauced tortilla. Roll them up tightly and arrange them seam side down in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Pour any leftover red sauce over the top of the rolled enchiladas, then sprinkle with a bit more cheese. Bake these beauties at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Once your enchiladas are out of the oven, it's time for the finishing touches. Garnish them generously with crumbled cottage cheese, a drizzle of Mexican crema, and a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. Serve these delicious enchiladas, Rojas de Queso, immediately with a side of rice and beans for a truly satisfying meal. They are perfect for family dinners or entertaining guests. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.